Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ostrich fern. First, let's learn how to safely identify and harvest these delicious spring greens. Ostrich ferns, also known as fiddleheads, are best found in moist, shaded areas, often near riverbanks. Look for their distinct, tightly coiled spirals, usually a vibrant green with a smooth, hairless stem. Always harvest about 1/3 of the fiddleheads from any given plant to ensure regrowth and sustainability for future foraging. Once you've gathered your fiddleheads, proper cleaning is essential for a great culinary experience. Gently rub off any brown, papery chaff that covers the coiled head, as this can be quite bitter. Then, rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water multiple times, even soaking them briefly, to remove any dirt or debris. This crucial step ensures a clean taste and prepares them for cooking, removing any potential bitterness. Fiddleheads are versatile and can be cooked in various ways to highlight their unique flavor and tender texture. A popular method involves blanching them first for about 2 minutes in boiling salted water, then shocking them in ice water. You can then sauté them with a knob of butter and a clove of garlic for 5 to 7 minutes, or steam them until tender crisp, which usually takes about 10 minutes. They are also wonderful when lightly roasted. Ostrich ferns offer a distinctive, earthy flavor, often described as a mix of asparagus, green beans, and artichoke heart, with a slightly nutty undertone. They pair beautifully with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a dash of flaky sea salt, or a drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Serve them as a vibrant side dish to grilled fish or chicken, or toss them into a fresh spring salad for a unique seasonal delight. Enjoy this special delicacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.